Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. So glad you decided to join the party. Go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button at the bottom of this video and turn on your post notifications so you can see when I post new uploads. In this video, you guys, as you can see, I am giving you straight natural hair teas. This is going to be an update on one of my units that I previously installed before. I believe this wig is from an install that I did last summer, June 2018. So y'all, when I tell y'all that these wigs last, these wigs last. Here we are, May 2019, almost a whole year later, and this wig is still popping. Mind you, I literally just got this wig out of my storage area where I store most of my wigs at, washed it, put some product on it, and y'all, it is back to normal, like it hasn't even been sitting for a long time. So let's just get into the specs. This wig is from HerGivenHair. This is the Proud of Your Coily wig, and the cap size is in a medium. The length is in a, I believe it's in a 14 inch. Let me double check. Yes, it's in a 14 inch, and the texture on this hair is coily. As you can see, it is a coily texture and it mimics natural hair, y'all. I know when shopping with these wigs, it can be a stretch with purchasing, especially with it being the cost. But when I tell you, the wig literally speaks for itself. As you can see, it gives you a natural closure front lace. So it was already plucked. I did not have to pluck this at all. To be honest with you, I really didn't have to do much to the wig, but actually I believe the lace had already came cut as well. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna link above the video that I previously recorded last year. As you can see, that's probably the reason why I can't even remember, because it's been so long since I recorded the video. Yeah, so I recorded this video last year. The style that I recorded it in, I did do a 2-string twist. So you can do 2-string twist. You can do a braid out on this hair. This hair literally mimics natural hair. You can dye this hair. I've seen a couple people on YouTube that have had this texture extensions dye the hair before. I mean, I would do it if I was going for that look, but I wasn't going for that look, so that's why I didn't do it. I didn't even have to, I don't remember if I bleached the hair, if I had to bleach the knots on this closure. I don't believe I had to bleach the knots on this wig. Everything pretty much came with the standard combs, as well, I can't talk tonight, y'all, as well as an elastic band as well. So it did come with the 3 combs, as well as an elastic band, and it is in a medium-sized cap. What I love so much about this hair is, like I said before, it resembles natural hair. So literally, you spray this bad boy with some water. You can use different natural hair products that you may use. So what I did, I went ahead and I washed and I conditioned the hair with I believe I used Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner, which you can find at any drugstore, Walmart, Target, pretty much anywhere. I used that, and after I got done with that, I went ahead and I went in with some of my Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner, and then on top of that, I use some styling mousse and some styling foam. Now, what you can use gel, but I believe with using gel in a lot of product, as far as like the mousse and the leave-in conditioner and stuff together, it just leaves a residue on the hair, because again, this isn't really natural hair, so it's not like the hair is going to soak up the product. But I would just try to be more aware when you apply the actual product on your units that you don't really put too much product on it to where the product is literally just sitting on your hair, because then you will get those white flakes, and that's not what we want for. And I think I do have a couple of them, because like I just said, I might have used a little bit too much. I got a little too heavy-handed in these clips that I'm showing you, but yeah. So you could literally run your hands through it, and look, I'm not getting any naps, and I'm trying not to disturb the curls too much, but I just want to show you like what the wig looked like a whole year. And I'm gonna say a year later, because I posted a video at the end of June, but I'm pretty sure that I had the wig a couple weeks before I actually post the video, because that's usually typically how I post. So I know I've had this wig for a year now, because we are already in May, almost going into June. So this wig is, I'm telling you, is going to be a great purchase for you. It's going to be a good bang for your buck. I know it might be a stretch, but I'm telling you, when you do have the stretch, I've worn this wig several times since last year and it still holds up perfectly fine, just as good as new. Put some conditioner on it, put a little bit of product on it, shake and go, let it dry, and you are good to go. I cannot tell y'all how many people think that this is my natural hair. Like, look how realistic it look. Without me even really having to say much, this is why people probably think that this is my natural hair. And to be honest, I don't blame them. So yeah, I'm gonna put all of the information down in the description box below. I definitely recommend HerGivenHair, and this is one of the units that I would recommend. As you can see, you cannot beat an actual wig that you can pretty much just throw on your head and take it off. That's literally what I did. Put this on and take it off. Now, I wouldn't suggest sleeping in this wig because this hair does get really big, and I'm pretty sure if you keep manipulating it, it's gonna get really big, and it's gonna get to a point where it's not gonna look as hydrated as it looks now. So I wouldn't suggest sleeping in this. I mean, I'm gonna tell y'all anyway, I don't really sleep in my wigs, so that's just me and my personal preference, because I feel like it doesn't look the same, and then you have to get up in the morning and try to style it. I'm one of them types and throw it on a mannequin head when I wake up in the morning, put it on, so I don't have to worry about doing my hair when I go to work. But then again, that's just me. So I'm gonna put all of the information down in the description box below. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.